How to grow orchids without watering and bloom all 4 seasons. Orchids are among the most beautiful and exotic flowers, but they can be challenging to maintain. Many people struggle with watering schedules and getting them to bloom year-round. However, with the right techniques, you can grow orchids with minimal watering and enjoy continuous blooms in all seasons. Part 1. Growing orchids without frequent watering. 1. Choose the right orchid species. Some orchids are naturally drought-resistant, such as Phalaenopsis moth orchid, can store water in leaves. Cattleya, tolerates dry conditions. Dendrobium, thrives with less frequent watering. 2. Use the right growing medium, avoid soil. Orchids need airflow around their roots. Use Sphagnum moss retains moisture longer. Bark chips allows roots to breathe. LECA clay pellets, self-regulates water absorption. 3. Optimize humidity instead of watering. Orchids absorb moisture from the air. Increase humidity by placing orchids in a bathroom or kitchen naturally humid. Using a pebble tray with water beneath the pot. Grouping orchids together to create a microclimate. 4. Water deeply but infrequently, instead of light daily watering. Soak the orchid pot in water for 10 to 15 minutes every 10 to 14 days. Let excess water drain completely to prevent root rot. 5. Use self-watering pots or wicks. Self-watering orchid pots release moisture gradually. Cotton wick system draws water from a reservoir into the pot. Part 2. Making orchids bloom all year round. 1. Provide consistent light key to continuous blooms. Bright, indirect light east or west-facing window. Use LED grow lights 12 to 14 hours day if natural light is insufficient. 2. Temperature variation triggers blooms. Day. Night temperature drop. Day. 75–85 degrees Fahrenheit 24–29 degrees Celsius. Night. 60–65 degrees Fahrenheit 15–18 degrees Celsius. This mimics natural conditions, encouraging blooming. 3. Fertilize strategically. Use a balanced orchid fertilizer 20–20–20 diluted to half strength. Apply every 2 weeks in growing season, monthly in winter. Switch to a high phosphorus fertilizer 1-03-020 to boost blooms. 4. Prune spent stems properly. For Phalaenopsis, cut just above a node on the stem to encourage reblooming. Remove yellow leaves to direct energy to new flowers. 5. Use bloom-boosting supplements. Cowpuck or seaweed extract stimulates flowering hormones. Epsom salt magnesium sulfate enhances bloom production. By selecting the right orchid species, optimizing humidity, using proper growing media, and controlling light and temperature, you can grow orchids with minimal watering and enjoy year-round blooms. Implement these techniques, and your orchids will thrive effortlessly. Final tip: observe your orchids' leaves. If they're plump and green, they're hydrated. Wrinkled leaves mean they need more moisture. Thank for watching, share and comment of this video.